Hi everyone, and welcome back to Cannon Coffee. Here we have a quick mill Lucca M58 espresso machine, and it was brought in because the sleeve on the steam assembly here had been cracked and leaking, and we have a replacement, and they actually upgraded this part, and now you can see that this is much thicker. The original was about half that size, so we've got it all attached and it's no longer leaking and functioning as it should. So let's test the features. Start with the steam wand. There we go, looking good. Next we'll do the hot water. Also good. Alright, and now we'll pull a shaft. Very quiet. I love this machine. It is a beautiful shot. Alright, and there you have it. Steam assembly replaced, no more leaks, and testing fine. Thanks for tuning in with Cannon Coffee. Please like our videos.